How to sign in to your Roku account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign into your Roku account. For that, open up any web browser and head over to roku.com. Once you are on this web page, you want to click on the sign in option. Now you will get this sign in portal. Here, enter your email address. After that, enter your password. Check this box that says remember me if you want your details to be remembered. Now click on the sign in option. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the link that says forgot password. Here, you will have to enter your email address. After you do that, you want to click on the submit option. Now, you will receive a link in your email from which you can easily reset your password. In case you do not have an account, click on the Create Account option. Then, on the other page, you will have to enter some details such as your email, first name, last name, create a password, and click on the Continue option. And in this way, you can very easily create and sign into your Roku account. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.